Jai Sriman Having Vasishtha Maharshi Brahmarshi walking prior to him, ahead of him, Bharata reaching Bharadvaja ashram. When Vasishtha Maharshi and Bharata are getting into Bharadvaja Maharshi's ashramam, Bharadvaja Maharshi has seen Vasishtha Maharshi and immediately got up and asked all of his disciples to make arrangements to wash the feet of Vasishtha Maharshi. And Bharadvaja Maharshi offered a warm welcome to Vasishtha Maharshi. And Bharadvaja Maharshi noticed Bharata who came with Vasishtha Maharshi. Bharadvaja Maharshi did recognize Bharata because he came along with Vasishtha Maharshi. Bharadvaja Maharshi identified Bharata because he came along with Vasishtha Maharshi. And then Bharadvaja Maharshi asked Bharata and Vasishtha Maharshi how are they doing. And also Bharadvaja Maharshi offered fruits and all those things to Bharata and Vasishtha. Then Bharata and Vasishtha Maharshi also inquired all things about Bharadvaja Maharshi, saying that, O Maharshi, Sarire, Agnishu, Vruksheshu, Sishyeshu, Mrugapakshishu. O Maharshi, is your health doing okay? O Maharshi, is your yajnas and yagas doing okay? O Maharshi, how are all your disciples doing? O Maharshi, how is the Vriksha Sampada, all the trees, medicinary herbs are growing very well? O Maharshi, how are all other animals doing around you? Is everything going good? Like that, Bharata and Vasishtha Maharshi inquired with Bharadvaja Maharshi. Then Bharadvaja Maharshi said, yes, everything going good. And then Bharadvaja Maharshi is now asking few questions to Bharata. Bharadvaja Maharshi has so much love towards Rama. In order to have Rama gets protected, saved from all the dangers. Now Bharadvaja Maharshi asking these questions to Bharata, saying that, oh Bharata, I heard that you got to be ruling the kingdom now. You must be ruling the kingdom now. But why did you come here? Tell me. Nahi me suddhyate manaha. Somehow I don't have any good feelings about you. That is why I am asking. I am doubting you. Tell me everything crystal clear. Just let me know everything as it is. Kachinnatasya papasya papam kartumihechasi akantakam bhoktumana rajyam tasya anujasya cha. Bharata, because you are ruling your kingdom, you definitely want to have no enemy to you. You definitely want to make sure that even in future also nobody should be coming and claiming that is their kingdom. For that reason, by any chance, did you come here to kill your both Rama and Lakshmana brothers so that they won't come back and ask for your kingdom? Is that the reason you came here, Bharata? Tell me everything. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.